Hello students, in this video we will see the short vowel sound of U. It says A. Let's see short vowel U sound words. U says A. So A, G says G, A G, and A N, An. So M, A G. Read with segmentation. Mug, Jug, jug, bug, rug, tug, lug. So students always try to read words like this, so we can read easily. Bun, bun, fun. In the starting we will read segmentation only. Gun. Next is sun. Run. None. Now next is a t. Cut. Cut. But. Hurt. Put. Here only we will say oo, put. U says oo here. Some exceptions are there. We can understand this pronunciation by practice only. Ub. So rub, tub, hub, cub, tub, pub. Now complete the words. So if we put here U, then jug, sun, gun, and rug. Means we can complete the words. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye bye.